You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show. I promised you butter. Super easy. Coming close. Let me show you what I got. Okay. All you need is an empty curd jar. I got a big one. You don't have to, but I want a lot of butter. Some heavy whipping cream. Some salt. Let's do it. Open up your heavy whipping cream. You're going to pour just enough to fill half of the mason jar. Okay. Cap it up. I still got some left. So later on, I can probably make more. Grab your salt. This is optional. Salt is for flavor. But I gotta have salt. Put in a little pinch. I'm putting 3 little tiny pinches. There we go. Put that off to the side. Cap this off. Tight. Tying it really tight. You're going to shake 10 to 15 minutes. The more you shake, the more butter it makes. So go for it. All right. So I'm going to do the first few minutes. And then Kemi's going to help me out. Almost done. Yes, my arm is ready to fall off. There better be butter in here. Don't feel like it. We'll know when we pour it through the strainer. Okay. See if we got some butter. Pour right through. No. That is a total failure. I can't believe it. I did exactly like you were supposed to do. There's supposed to be a big clump of butter in there. Total failure. Look at this. Going all the way through all of it. Okay, guys, never mind. This is a failure. This is an experiment. The guy lied, and it doesn't work. So let me explain what just happened off camera. So we filmed us pouring this into the strainer. There was no butter. That was after 10 minutes of shaking. We went back to watch the instructions. The guy at the beginning of the video said 10 minutes. At the end of the video, he said 15 minutes. So Tammy and I brought this jar in the living room, watched our TV show probably for another 10 minutes, and shook it. So really, this has been shaken for 20 minutes. If there's no butter, it's a total bomb. Doesn't work. It's a lie. So we're going to slowly open this because some pressure is built up. There we go. There we go. Looks a little creamy, a little white creamy though. The video I saw, it would look more yellow. But we're going to need a spoon to get this out. Okay, so as you can see, it's not really butter yet. Kind of halfway from the milk to this, but not quite all the way to butter. Okay, so Tammy and I had a discussion about this. This doesn't look like the video. The video, he had yellow, big chunk of butter, and there was whey in there, and it had separated everything. This looks like whipped butter. If you've ever bought whipped butter, it tastes a little bit. Yep, tastes like whipped butter. So what we're going to do is scrape this into a bowl, refrigerate it overnight. We'll try it quickly tomorrow, see how it is. But Tammy talked about rinsing this. Normally you rinse it under the water. That's what the instructions say. But this is really kind of whipped. So we're looking at it. We're making a judgment call. Executive decision is put this in the fridge like this. Let it solidify. See what it tastes like tomorrow. All right, guys. So let me talk about what happened. We have tried our hardest to make this into butter. I haven't looked at this yet. But the guy, which I'm not going to show you the video, I'm not going to point out the guy because I'm not that person. But the guy had a big glop of yellow butter. I'm like, there's no way that happened. Like, for example, let me show you. That's the color we got. How he got yellow, I don't know. All he did was heavy whipping cream, salt. The beginning of his video, he made an error. He said shake for 10 minutes, and he shook for 15. We shook for at least 20 to try to get it. Nothing. So then we applied it into here like this. This is what we got. We thought, this is kind of like whipped butter. Not like what the guy had in the video, the yellow butter. But this is, if you guys have ever been to a restaurant, they'll give you some whipped butter. So I'm going to try this out now, because I can, and see if it's close to butter, if it tastes like butter. I have no idea. The guy did salt and heavy whipping cream, no idea. He's a magician. Okay. Okay, you can see the consistency is just like whipped butter. Sticks right onto the spoon, no problem. So let's give this a try. See if it's butter, see if it's whipped butter, see what it is. Okay? The guy's an idiot. The guy's an idiot. I'm not going to tell you who it is. That just tastes like whipped cream with a little bit of salt. So this was an utter, complete failure. So don't try it at home. It doesn't work. All right? I love you guys. We'll keep plugging away and try to bring you some things that work.